A research proposal is a plan of the research study. A good research proposal helps as a guideline for the entire research study. Therefore, it is very important to make a good research proposal. In this video, I am going to explain you how to make a good research proposal. The study will consist of two parts. In this part, I will be covering up to the title and the objectives of the research. The outline of the research proposal is as follows. First is the title, introduction, area of the research, review of the related literature, need and importance of the study, assumptions, statement of the problem, conceptual and operational definitions, objectives of the study, hypotheses, scope, delimitations and limitations, population, sampling procedures and sample, research method, research design, variables of the study, tools of data collection, tools for data analysis, significance of study, chapterization, time schedule, and bibliography. The title of the research proposal. The title should be accurate. We have to ensure that the proposal title includes important keywords that will relate the proposal to the specific field of study that is the focus area of the research. The title should be short and it should describe what the research is all about. It should also give an indication of the researcher's approach or key questions. The title should also indicate the scope of the research. Here is one example of the title, Effectiveness of a Training Program in Inquiry Training Model in Teaching Science to High School Students. The introduction is the first part of the proposal. It must provide a clear understanding of what you plan to do. A well-written introduction will help to create interest in the research proposal. The introduction must set context for the research by mentioning what is known about the topic and what needs to be explored further. It can also highlight how your research will contribute to the existing knowledge in the concerned field. The introduction must contain the hypothesis that led to the development of the research design. Area of the research. A research area is what a research topic is placed into, but it is much more broader than the scope of the topic. Example, any research area can be like psychology, human physiology, neuroscience, etc. The research topic is narrower than the area of the research. Example, the area of the research may be psychology, and the research topic will be factors affecting stress and strain in pupils during the examinations. So, the research area is broader, and there are so many research areas. You need to study the research areas thoroughly before beginning any research. Review of the related literature is one of the most important steps in the research process. It is an account of what is already known about a particular area. The main purpose of literature review is to convey to the readers about the work already done and the knowledge and ideas that have been already established on a particular topic of research. It is a very laborious task, but it is very essential if the research process has to be successful. It provides a description, summary, and critical evaluation of the works in relation to the research problem being investigated. It also ensures that there is no duplication of studies, and the main thing is it identifies the research gap. The sources are Books, scholarly articles, newspapers, websites, and so many other resources of literature are available. Need and the importance of the study. The purpose of the study should be clearly mentioned. Accurate statement of the scientific purpose should be made. In writing the importance of the study, you have to write about the general contribution of your research to the society as a whole. Start from writing in general to particular. Convince the reader that your project is original, interesting, and essential for a research field you're working in. Demonstrate your familiarity with the research field. Try to show that you know its current state and have a deep understanding of the literature. Assumptions. Assumptions are basically beliefs and ideas that we hold to be true, often with little or no evidence, and are not statistically tested in research. They are beliefs about the variables. Based on the beliefs, the researchers attempt to discover the correlation between the variables. Example of one assumption is physical exercise helps to increase the concentration power in students. Statement of problem. A problem statement is the description of an issue currently existing which needs to be addressed. It provides the context for the research study and generates questions which the research claims to answer. A problem statement should be clear and specific. Discuss potential problems for the researcher. It should not offer a solution. Criteria for research problem statement. The statement of the problem should indicate what is to be investigated. The actual statement may be declarative or in a question form. The statement should indicate the variables of interest and the specific relationship between the variables that are to be studied. Just like all the other writing, the most important point to keep in mind while writing problem statements is to be clear and concise. The person reading your problem statement should immediately understand the issue and the proposed solution. For more practice in this style of writing, we must try writing technical writing assignments. Focus your writing so that it's useful and descriptive. This is a very practical kind of writing. Operational definitions. A good operational definition tells a person how clearly to perform an observation or take a measurement. Write a clear, complete definition of what the researcher should do or measure. Check your definition by asking yourself, will this definition tell another person what to observe or how to measure? If necessary, revise your definition before starting your investigation. Example of operational definition. You can take anxiety as a term, and it can be defined as a state of being uneasy, apprehensive, or worried. An operational definition of the term could include observable measures such as sweating palms, increased heart rate, dilated pupils, etc. Objectives of the study. Research objective is a clear, concise, declarative statement which provides direction to investigate the variables. Writing the research objectives clearly helps to define the focus of your study. Clearly identify variables to be measured. Indicate the various steps to be involved. Establish the limits of the study. And avoid collection of any data that is not relevant. You can use the terms such as to identify, to establish, to describe, to develop, to compare, etc. while writing the objectives to assess knowledge level of teachers regarding science content.